ProBonAdvisor.com. I'm Phil Santamaria, a Maryland accident and injury lawyer, and this is one of a series of very brief, highly informal videos that we are adding to various pages at our site to help explain what's on that page, perhaps to add some additional information, and in some cases to provide some practical tips. This page that you're on now addresses the question of how do you get your medical bills paid after you're in a car accident in Maryland. The answer is that there are three places that you turn. First, you turn, yes, to your own insurance policy. You have a kind of coverage, unless you specifically excluded it when you bought your insurance, usually called Personal Injury Protection, or PIP. Everybody in the industry recognizes the term PIP. So you submit your medical bills to your PIP insurance company, and they will pay those bills up to the policy limit, which is usually $2,500, although your limit could be higher, so be sure to check your insurance policy. Now, if you do not have PIP, or if you exceed the coverage of your PIP, you next go to your health insurance. Your health insurance will then begin paying your bills and will pay them through the time that you recover. If you don't have health insurance, then you are responsible for paying the cost of your treatment. Many healthcare providers, although not all, will treat you until your claim is resolved without payment. Sometimes they will ask you to sign a document called an assignment, which in essence is an instruction to your lawyer to pay the healthcare provider off the top when your claim is resolved. Finally, after you're recovered, you can make a claim against the at-fault driver. And if you can prove your case, that is, prove they were at fault and you weren't at fault, you were not contributorily negligent in causing your accident, you can recover from the at-fault driver a number of things that are explained on another page and in another video. But among the things you can recover are all of your medical bills. And that's true, frankly, even if they have already been paid by PIP carrier, your carrier under your PIP coverage, or by your health insurance. There's a lengthy explanation for why that's the case, but yes, you have heard right, you may be able to recover twice for your medical bills. But there's more to the story. After you recover from the at-fault driver, the question is, do you have to repay anyone? Do you have to repay PIP? Or do you have to repay your health insurance company or anyone else who might have paid your medical bills? The answer with regard to PIP is no. You do not have to repay PIP for the benefits you received to pay your medical bills after a car accident. That's the law in Maryland. Frankly, in some other states, it's different. However, with regard to your health insurance, the answer is yes, you're going to have to repay them. Every health insurance policy that I'm aware of these days gives the carrier a right to recover back from you through what's called a subrogation claim any amounts that they have paid for your health care. Well, those are the details and really the core information about how you get your medical bills paid after a car accident. Some of these things are a little tricky, and you may have a specific situation or another question related to this that you'd like to discuss. If that's the case, by all means contact me. You can reach me through the contact form at the bottom of this page, or you can call me at one of these phone numbers listed over here on your right-hand side of the web page. One of those phone numbers is my mobile phone, and you can call that anytime. Thanks for visiting.